Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. I'm curious to know your thoughts of what you see in your current marketplace. So in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, it's very, very interesting. We're kind of in like a seller's market, which should be the opposite. Unless sellers need to sell their house, they're not voluntarily selling them. And because of that, there's just not a lot of inventory. So as the inventory comes on, sellers are getting market price, if not higher than market price. It's very interesting. There's not enough pain in the market to begin with for sellers. You can't foreclose. Landlords can't evict. So I think that we're almost going to have like this little mini boom of the real estate market, at least stay stable, if not kind of increase slightly, kind of manipulated, but slightly, kind of through the end of 2020, sorry, then starting in 2021, I think there's going to be a little bit more pain. I think job loss is going to be affected. And then the market potentially is going to go down and potentially be other opportunities for real estate investors to come in. So a lot of action going on right here. Curious to see what you're seeing in your market.